On September 1st, 1859, telegraph operators across the United States and Europe watched their machines burst into showers of sparks with no battery connected at all. Some machines kept clicking out messages on their own, powered by nothing but the sky itself. That night, auroras in blazing red and green lit up skies as far south as Cuba, Hawaii, and Rome, places that had never seen the northern lights before. The sun had just sneezed straight at Earth, and the entire planet felt it. That sneeze has a name, a coronal mass ejection, and it is exactly as violent as it sounds. Deep inside the sun, magnetic field lines twist and tangle until they snap like an overstretched rubber band, hurling more than 1 billion tons of magnetized plasma off the sun's surface at speeds topping 2 million miles per hour. When one of these fiery clouds is aimed directly at Earth, it slams into our planet's magnetic shield within a day or two, close enough that early warning barely helps. Astronomers now call the 1859 event the Carrington event, and it remains the most powerful solar sneeze ever recorded striking Earth. We post a brand new mind-blowing cosmic fact just like this one every single day, so subscribe now so you never miss the next one. The sun has sneezed at Earth before, and every scientist tracking it agrees it will happen again. In July of 2012, a coronal mass ejection just as powerful as the Carrington event tore off the sun's surface at nearly 2,000 miles per second, ripping through the exact orbital path Earth travels. It missed us by only 9 days. NASA physicist Daniel Baker later calculated that if that 2012 sneeze had struck Earth instead of missing it, global damage could have topped $2 trillion in the first year alone. Power grids could have gone dark for months at a time, orbiting satellites could have been fried beyond repair, and GPS systems across the planet could have failed overnight. Back in 1989, a solar sneeze far weaker than either of those knocked out the entire power grid of Quebec, Canada in under 2 minutes, leaving 6 million people without electricity in the middle of winter. Our modern world, wired with electronics on every corner, is essentially standing in the exact blast radius a solar sneeze is built to destroy. Comment below and tell us whether you'd want a public warning before the next big one hits. Right now, NASA and NOAA scientists watch the sun around the clock, scanning for the next dangerous sneeze that might be aimed our way. The Parker Solar Probe has flown closer to the sun than any spacecraft ever built, diving straight through that same scorching plasma to learn exactly how these eruptions form before they launch. Every new sunspot researchers spot could be the next Carrington event quietly loading up its next shot. Somewhere on the sun's surface right now, magnetic field lines are twisting themselves into the same kind of knot that finally snapped in 1859. When they let go again, nobody knows in advance whether Earth will be standing directly in the way. Hit the bell so this lands in your feed the exact moment we find out what happens next.